See, it was really a very fantastic moment. Of course, we were not too much involved in the entire preparation because all have done by our mentors. But the backstage was something which you can say it was a wow factor for me. And the collection made by our students, it is really a very hard work. From past 1.5 months, day and night they're working, and even sleepless nights. The stylist, the fashion coordinators, the fashion mentors, everyone has done a great job.
Yeah, we are really, really proud of our team, and we want to let all of our students know that this is the best that they could do, and we are so proud of them. So in terms of growth, I think this gives them the platform that they need to be able to see how it is in the real world. And when they actually step out there after they graduate, I think this would be one of the experiences that will be the most handy for them.
So being a showstopper is really, really special. But what made it special is I was working for INSD, which is encouraging young talent, young designers, and that is really wow for me. It wasn't just a ramp walk. I was embodying their vision of the young talent, and I feel really grateful for working for them. And thank you for this opportunity. And thank you Pune Times as well.
It was a lovely experience. Like every year, Pune Times keeps getting better and all. And it's such a privilege to work for, students. They were so good. Like being students, they were like not less than, big designers. So I am like, overwhelmed with the atmosphere and everything. And I loved their designs to the core. Like, each and every design was like something par excellence. So yeah, loved working for them. Thank you.
It was an outstanding experience for me, and it was an incredible show with all of the team of INSD. And if I tell you about the collection, I have never seen such fine collections on Pune Times Fashion Runaway before. So I'm just in love with their collection and what I am wearing, what all the people were wore. So yeah, truly grateful to be a part of such creative and inspiring platform. I feel really blessed and grateful. Thank you so much.
Well, this is the next edition of the Pune Fashion Times Week, and yet again the INSD Pune Center has done a remarkable performance. We are very, very proud of our INSD Pune Center and all the mentors, all the center directors. They are always expecting beyond. They always surpass all the expectations, and the results are so fantastic. I wish them all the more power, and well done.
I would just second what Sir mentioned, that it is incredible to see young designers, budding designers taking charge and achieving, results which, designers who have years and years of experience are able to achieve only in a matter of a month and a half. So I think this speaks very loudly of the quality that the students are, getting at our institutions. And the results are amazing. They're in front of you. So yeah, I would like to say that all the teams, the academic teams at the campuses are doing a wonderful job, and wishing the students all the very best. And I would like to see them grow even bigger and better in the future.